फसले गुलो लाला का नहीं पाबंद बाहर हो के खिज़ां ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह.
Hazrat Imam Raza alayhi salam is the Imam who had most bravely, most significantly, with most efforts focused upon Imamah, preached Imamah, discussed Imamah, and clarified Imamah. Specifically in his holy journey from Medina to Marv, Shapur and then Khurasan, Mashhad, Hazrat Imam Raza alayhi salam had one point agenda. He has one point agenda, and that was to preach the ideology of Imamat among the people, among the nations, among all of the Muslims, and among all the people who are living in the Islamic countries. That was the significance of Hazrat Imam Raza. Hazrat Imam Raza alayhi salatu wassalam, no doubt other Aimma alayhi salam had also found extraordinary about preaching Imam. But circumstances Imam Raza alayhi salam got when he became Imam. And after that, in his journey, in his all the travels, he had one point agenda. If Imam Raza alayhi salam is teaching about Salat, if Imam Raza alayhi salam is teaching about Zakat, homes, Islamic morals, Islamic values, about the family system, about the medical issues, or other things, in all of these, we can see that the focused agenda of Imam Raza alayhi salam about preaching Imamat, about elaborating the ideology of Imamat is clear. Specifically in the hadith of Marv, there is a detailed narration quoted in Usul Kafi by Sheikh Kulaini Rahmahullah, volume 2, that when Imam Raza alayhi salam reached in the city of Marv, Imam Raza alayhi salam came to mosque. As tomorrow is also we are having Friday tomorrow. That was the same day that Imam Raza alayhi salam reached Marv on Thursday or upon Friday, and Imam asked someone that which is the hot issue of people of this city nowadays. The person answered Imam that nowadays people of Marv are talking about Imamat. Then Imam Raza alayhi salam said, what does they know about Imamat? Imam went to the Friday prayer mosque, the Jami Masjid, and then Imam gave a detailed sermon about Imamat. What is Imamat? According to Imam, according to Quran, according to Ahlul Bayt, according to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Imam clarified all the doubts, and Imam gave a complete description of Imamat in that hadith. That hadith, or the other one which is more famous, known as the narration of golden chain, hadith silsilatul Wahab. In that Imam Raza alayhi salam focused Imamat. In other circumstances, on other situations, Imam Raza alayhi salam, but we can say, when we say Hazrat Imam Ali Raza alayhi salam, what come in our mind? Does only the shrine of Imam, the golden dome, and the, we can say, the meals and all the buildings of Mashhad, or something else? We should recognize, we should have the marifat of Imam Raza alayhi salam. When we say or we listen Hazrat Imam Ali Riza alayhi salam, this name should reflect that what is the significance of Imam is in our minds. And we should learn that the significance of Imam Raza alayhi salam is about preaching Imam. If we celebrate the birthday of Imam, if we celebrate the day of Advent of Imam, the day of birth of Imam alayhi salam, or we mourn upon the day of martyrdom of Imam Raza alayhi salam, the main focus should be upon the ideology of Imamat, what Imam Raza alayhi salam had presented, what Imam Raza presented to us, to the world. We should know it and we should show it also to others. First we should know it and then we should show. Because if we neglect the main key significance and key ideology of Imam Raza alayhi salam, if we neglect it, and after that we celebrate the day of birth of Imam or mourn upon the day of martyrdom of Imam, then we can't please Imam. We can be pleased and we can feel that we have sawab, and we should and we must be having sawab. But what is important is not sawab, my dears. The important thing is that Imam Raza alayhi salam and Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself should be pleased from us. This is the focus. Hazrat Imam Zaman alayhi salam should be pleased from us. And how we can please Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam, how can we please Imam Raza alayhi salam? By doing that which Imam Raza had done, and that most important work was most important activity in the duration of Imamat of Imam Raza alayhi salam, preaching and elaborating, discussing the reality of Imamat, the pure definition of Imamat, the Quranic concept of Imam. If we love Imam Raza alayhi salam, then we should prove it that we love Imam Raza alayhi salam. And how can we prove it? By doing that what Imam Raza had done. And what Imam Raza had done? Imam Raza had preached Imam. More significantly than all of other imams, more apparently than all of other imams, more bravely than all of other imams, and more in detail than all of other imams. Imam Raza alayhi salam had comprehensively expressed what is the ideology of Imam, and that is the way we can follow Imam Raza alayhi salam. We can be blessed by the prayers and du'as of Imam Raza alayhi salam, because as there is a narration that Imam Raza alayhi salam said that may Allah bless the person who attempts to remicide our Amr, Ihya al-Amr. The person asked, what is Ihya al-Amr? Imam said, to preach, to explore, and to describe to others what is our Wilayah, what is our deen, what is our. And this is the way we can be blessed, and we can focus on the way which should lead us to the day of Advent of Hazrat Imam Zaman alayhi salam.